Today, we will train your English voice to use the word should in sentences. So we use should to give someone advice about doing something that is right or good for them. Let's have a look at the structure. I, you, they, he, she, or it, plus should, plus verb. Now let's have a look at this example. You look exhausted. You should get more sleep. Another example. You should leave earlier to catch the bus on time. We often use think in sentences showing that the advice is our opinion. For example, John, do you think we should go to the cinema? Jane, yes, and I think we should buy some popcorn. Or, that car is very old. I think he should buy a new car.